Hi friends, now I'm going to show you a quick way to add your chat to OBS. To do this, go to Streamlabs website. Authorize here in any way you like. I will choose authorization via Twitch. Then in the menu, go to All Widgets. Scroll down the page a little bit and select Chat Box. With the help of it, you can display OBS chat from YouTube, Twitch, Trovo, Facebook, and Twitter. From the very beginning, we have several visual settings for the chat box. Boxed, Twitch, old school, chunky. I'm going to go with the Twitch style. Also below, we have the opportunity to customize our chat in more detail. I will not tell you about all the functions. You better familiarize yourself with them. After you have customized the visual display of the chat, you need to copy this link. It is very important that you do not show this link to anyone. Only you should know about it. Once you have copied the link, open OBS and add a browser to the scene. Call it chat or whatever you want and click Next. In the URL field, paste our previously copied link and click OK. For the test, I will go into my chat and write something so that we can see it clearly. As you can see, everything works fine. If this video was useful for you, please put a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck, everyone.